So when you come to Tokyo, you think to eat a lot of Japanese food, but did you know they have a Koreatown in Tokyo? It's got all the different Korean things you would want, K-pop, Korean snacks, and of course, lots of delicious Korean food. And this is one of my favorites in Koreatown, Matsuya. This is a family-owned restaurant. It's beautiful, it's amazing. It's got so much delicious foods. This is just the front area. I've been here many times. This place really does have a cool vibe. And it's been owned by the same family for, I want to say, like almost 30 years, if not 30 years. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, but it's our favorite place to eat. We've come here probably now 5 different times, and it's a must go to. I know it's not Japanese food, but they have the best Korean food, in my opinion, in Tokyo, and great service. And we're gonna show you what we like to order here. First thing you're gonna notice, you have to take your shoes off. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Step up here, gotta have good balance. There we go. Let's go. Hello. Hi. All right, you have to have a beer. I mean, I think it's required when you're eating any kind of foods in Japan. Why? Nervous for what?
I don't know. For being juicy.
But I always order beer. I mean, that's what you do. Yeah, this is my camera. I got it here in Japan last time. I know. I've been all my vlogs. I vlog with this now. Okay, this is Choco. Her family is the one that owns this restaurant. What is this called? Okay. Would you call this a soup?
Hot pot.
Oh, hot pot. Okay, there you go. Korean hot pot?
Yeah, but it's
Pork? Okay.
pork spine.
Yeah, but it's got a lot of bones in it,
Yep.
which adds to the umami, I'm sure. The deliciousness. So one of the things that I love here, I mean, it seems pretty basic, but their kimchi is not basic. It's next level, delicious. Would you say, is this the one that's fermented or more fresh?
Oh, it's a fresh one.
This is a fresh one.
Like the marinated.
So me personally, I like the fresh one. And then this is their daikon kimchi, right? Daikon?
Daikon.
Kimchi?
Yeah.
So of course these are also must-haves. All right, so this is the zucchini dish. We've been making this at home. Judy's been making it, yeah. This is their fried zucchini dish. So we had this, I think, somewhere else, so it'll be fun to try this here. I was gonna ask you, every time we're here, it's in the winter time. Are we gonna have something cold today? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna try one of these first. I don't even know where we learned about this. It was somewhere in the US, so I'm assuming this is gonna be way better. It's still got the bite too. Would you call this like a tempura? A little bit? A little bit? What is this right here?
So this is called marinated squid.
Yeah.
Marinated
Oh my gosh.
But this is the ura menu,
Yeah.
which is behind menu.
The special? Ooh.
With the salmon,
Yes.
we don't have it on the menu.
Oh, got it. Should I even be vlogging this? It's okay?
Yeah.
Can people order this if they come here?
Yeah. But it's not on the menu.
It's not on the menu. Okay, so this is like In-N-Out Burger. This is like, you know, the off menu.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know, okay? I definitely want to try this next. How do I eat it?
Just mix all.
Oh, you gotta mix it all? Okay. Okay, I love these off-menu items. And it's so hot right now in Tokyo, so this is perfect. Don't worry, there's air conditioning in the restaurant, so you'll be fine. Where's your salt? So I don't know if this is a fusion, but salmon is a Japanese noodle. Obviously this is being mixed up with this marinated squid. Got probably kind of a kimchi flavor profile to it. Oh baby, oh my gosh, and there's some zucchini in that, some carrots in there, onions. I take that back. This is not squid, this is conch. Still from the sea. Something that I didn't really try ever in the States, that here you can get a lot of and it's delicious, is cold Korean food. Normally we get Korean barbecue and obviously all the dishes are cooked and really hot. I love the cold dishes. I think in some ways more. For me, just because it's unique and different. But in the summertime, you gotta have a couple cold dishes on your table. I love those. It's all about the off menu. So if you want to get this dish, which already is mind-blowing, get the conch, the marinated conch with the salmon specifically.
저쪽에 하나 있어요. This is most popular menu.
Oh really?
Yeah.
This item right here?
This is like the first menu that my mom started to
Oh.
make. Back then in Japan, people didn't eat this part.
Oh,
So
got it.
they threw it away, right?
I see.
My mom bought it.
Yeah. She made something of it. But what about in Korea? Did they use this
It's
part?
famous.
It's famous. See, that's cool.
Try the soup first.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then with the chopstick, you just kind of
Got
scrape
it.
off.
Got it. So Choco said to try the soup first. I love dishes that have history like this. You know, the throwaway parts, you know, where my dad's family grew up. You know what lobster is, right? A long time ago, they used to throw away lobster. Lobster was kind of like dirty, like cheap food. So only, I think the fishermen ate it. It wasn't
the same thing as oyster too.
maybe, and so no one thought to eat it and sell it for a high price. So it used to be cheaper. And he's from the area where Maine lobsters, the famous lobsters. So similar to that. You know what? This is not the flavor that you would expect from it too. It's, Oh yeah. So obviously not necessarily the highlight, but these potatoes are soaking up all the flavor right now.
So the name of this hot pot is kamja.
Kamja?
Tang is hot pot.
Yeah.
Kamja means potato,
Okay.
but plus this part of the bone
Yeah.
named kamja.
Got it.
So it's like double kamja.
Oh, double kamja, you guys. Okay. One of my favorite parts of any meat. Well, I love the meat that's around the bone.
You need the soup.
I need the soup with it. You're saying? There we go. There we go. Perfect. Don't worry. I'm gonna dip it. My God, there's so much food.
What adds to this flavor
Yeah.
is that they have perilla leaf.
Really? Oh, interesting. See, that's what I'm saying. There was another flavor in there that I wasn't getting.
That's where you get the thickness.
Got it.
But normally you put the leaf on top,
Yeah.
but we don't do that.
Oh, got it. You put it inside.
Seed powder.
Got it. All right, Choco. What is this pizza looking thing?
Yeah, it's a kimchi pancake with the cheese.
Kimchi pancake with the cheese. I hope you don't mind. I'm just gonna grab things with my fingers.
That's how you eat it.
Good. It also is burning my fingers, so I have to be fast. I'm telling you, the pancakes, Korean pancakes are the best. The girls love this. This is one of my absolute favorite dishes right here. Okay, so one thing I like about Choco, she's like me. If it's better than the average, she has to make sure to clarify. This is not just like store-bought soybean here, okay? This...
Our kimchi.
Yeah. We'll talk about the kimchi next, but
yeah.
you said you actually take soybeans and put it into water, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's
mean,
fresh.
We
Fresher.
don't even use water.
Oh, got it.
Yeah. We freeze it.
Yeah.
And then mix it.
Okay.
And then rest is secret.
Okay, got it. Is that more authentic because of that?
It is.
Got it. Now, I don't know anything about Korean restaurants. We've been going to Korean restaurant, dinner forever in the States. I remember when me and Judy came here, though, everything just tasted so different. You can taste the passion and the obsession, and even just that, like she clarified. I love it because now I know. So you wouldn't even think anything of it if you're eating at another restaurant, because it's still delicious. Just here, it's a different level. Very authentic. And I met her mom, and she actually cooked for us, or was at the dinner with us the first time. They really take pride in the ingredients they're using, and that's what makes their dishes so much better, on top of the fact that they have great recipes.
Just with, yourself.
Okay,
And then after that, put the kimchi on top.
got it. But I put it in one of these bowls, right?
Yeah,
One of
yeah.
these? Okay.
Yeah.
So Choco, what is this called again? Kongutsu?
Kong is soy.
Okay. Kong kuksu. Kong kuksu. Remember, it's not just off the shelf soy milk, okay? This is the legit. I specifically requested some cold dishes. So right here, you guys, cold noodle dishes. Underrated. See, most tourists I don't think would think to order this. Mm-hmm.
And you put the topping on top.
Okay, there's this topping too. Kimchi?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's a komatsuna.
Komatsuna? It's like kankon? Some kind of green dish. You eat it with the salmon. But the thing is, you gotta try it without it first.
It's a spinach mustard.
Mm-hmm.
Japanese mustard.
I think we call it mustard greens.
Mustard.
Yeah. So far though, my favorite that I've had is the one that we haven't clarified what's in this, okay? It's not squid, it's not conch, it's what?
Welch shellfish.
Welch.
No.
Okay. Welch shellfish. And how do you just say it in Korean? Here, wait, let me put the camera on you.
Golbengi.
Okay, just ask for that, okay?
Golbengi
Yeah,
with somyeon.
there you go.
Yeah.
Okay?
Kudasai.
Get this. This right here. All kinds of flavors.
There's a squid version too.
Oh, there is a squid version too, okay? I love this. I love it. Mm-hmm. Alright, so this is the last thing I'm eating. This is called japchae, which is pretty basic for most Korean restaurants. There you go. What is it? What japchae? What do they make it out of? Is it cognac? Cognac? Noodles? Cognac noodles? Anyways. There's so much umami in this japchae. There's no meat in it, but it has the same satisfaction as eating some kind of protein.
Dad, look, it's a fan.
Is it? You guys are lucky. You're lucky I brought a whole nother luggage for you guys.
Really, you did?
I did, yeah. A whole extra luggage.
I packed extra in my backpack.
We're about to dig into this. We're like super full, but guess what? Always have room for kimchi, but this is maybe legit my favorite kimchi ever.
Really?
Like ever. When I think of kimchi, it's this restaurant's kimchi right here, and it's ruined all other kimchis. But what would you say? Why is your kimchi different?
First, it's a lightly marinated kimchi, right? And then we don't cut it, as you can see.
Oh, God, yeah. You leave the whole leaf,
Yeah.
or the whole like
the
yes,
cabbage.
yeah, lettuce leaf.
Yeah. And then, well, we can't tell you the recipe.
Yes.
But there's like, okay, my mom tells the employee to leave a little bit of water in it so that it marinates well.
Got it. Versus draining it.
Yeah. And it tastes like you can eat it as a salad.
Got it.
appetizer,
Yeah.
With the rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. So yeah, this is one of my favorites here. I mean, it's so basic in terms of, I mean, every Korean restaurant has it, but this is not basic. Or as the kids would say, it's not mid.
And taste-wise, it's not sweet.
Oh, it's not sweet?
Yeah. There's no sweetness to it.
Got it. It's like, it's got a good punch to it. Yeah, I agree. All right, so we're outside, and in the garden, there's all kinds of peppers. That's really cool. It's a very beautiful little garden. So Shin-Okubo, Koreatown, way over there. This is the southern end of Shin-Okubo. Not as busy, not as popular in terms of Koreatown. So if you want to get here, Higashi Shinjuku Station, that's the place you're going to look for. We're going to try to put all the information in the description. So come here. They've got a menu that's got all kinds of pictures. So right here, the Higashi Shinjuku Station. Matsuya, right there.